Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to MRB online channel. Today I'm gonna show you how the TV product 5-second fix UV light repair tool with super glue works. So I bought it from AliExpress. So let's check it. Here is the UV light part, on off button. Oh, it's not working. No, it's not working. It's a cheap gadget, $3 price, but you can see it's not working. So let's deassemble it. Four screws on it. So guys, you can see nothing inside it, only two cells and a UV light bulb LED. No, it's not working. It's a faulty item. So in this review you can see we disassemble it, but it's faulty item. I'm shuffling the cells. Batteries are in good shape, but I think its LED is faulty. Yes, it's faulty. So guys, it's a $3 gadget, but you can see it's useless for me. So I'm gonna assemble it again. So guys, be careful when you are gonna purchase this gadget, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe MRB online channel. Thank you.